Hi, I'm Prof. Johnny. Welcome to Goodwill Training and Assessment Center Incorporated. May kasabihan tayo, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Tara na at gawa na tayo! I'm going to show you how to use the Hexagon arm. Of course, with the help of the trainer from Hill Metrology, Philippines.
Okay, so first step to how to measure the specimen here is open, long press, and then connect the portable arm to our software, which is SolidWorks. Okay, after connecting the arm to our SolidWorks, we need to download, import the CAD software. Okay, this is the CAD of our workpiece. After importing the CAD, we need to extract its alignment features, which is 3 planes. This is plane 1, plane 2, and plane 3. After that, this is all the nominal values of the plane. We need to input the measured value. Okay, so our method will be probing. So I will start probing. So this will be the point 1, plane 1. And for the plane 2, and then this is the plane 3. Okay, so after that, we need to align the nominal and the measured. So this is the alignment. So we just need to check the measured. Okay, so as you can see, our nominal and measured already aligned. After that, we can continue the measurement. So let's say we need to measure this circle. So we need to call out for the circle by probing. So I will probe. Okay, so this is the first point for the circle. Okay, so as you can see on our data, here are the measured, the X, Y, Z, and the diameter. So if you want to input the nominal, just extract the nominal for the circle. So this is the, okay, and so if you want to measure another one, let's say another circle here. So circle again. So okay, and then we can extract again the nominal. So okay, So that is how you can measure the workpiece according to our portable arm.
Thank you very much.